iBundles is the only way to install jailbreak features for non-jailbroken devices through 18 different websites. You can access all of these websites just by registering with iBundles. It is compatible with all iOS versions and all iPhone and iPad models. Refizo. It is a website that allows you to customize your device just like Jailbreak. iTweaks.org, the biggest marketplace to install third-party tweaks for non-jailbroken devices. Ella Themes, the most beautiful theme collection for all iPhone and iPad models. Flemino. Run old computer OSes on your iPhone or iPad. Shika. Run third-party mobile OSes simultaneously with your current iOS versions. Dream Themes. Uncommon theme collection to change your device completely. Zyrome. Download most popular paid games for free. Calman. Exclusive game collection that you cannot find in the Apple App Store. Exumo. Collection of exclusive setting tweaks to change your default iOS features. Meta. A collection of 3D wallpapers for your iPhone. Celonio. Boot logo changer and collection of iOS boot logos. Also, you can download 6 premium Jailbreak app stores for free with iBundles.